Good morning, friends. This is Ramaswamy, President and National Head of Zebu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. We are here to give you morning updates about the stock market. Regularly, we are doing this on a daily basis in the market opening after 9:30 a.m. as a opening analysis, as well as we are doing the same in the evening as a post closing. What we are seeing, what we are trying to say in this session particularly is the levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Maybe it is not a very much technical to provide you a technical knowledge, but this is rather than giving you a broader view of the levels of the market. So if you are a subscriber and if you are a viewer of our YouTube videos continuously, you can clearly witness that we are saying that Nifty is not weaker if it is closing below 913. So clearly, repeatedly we are telling this on for the last 3 days. What happened is, see, clearly it shows in today's market. Everyone expected the market will open a very big gap down today, but into the contrary, the market opens flat and now it is trading at around maximum of maybe maximum 75 points today. From the previous close, it is up by 75 points now. Why the people have expected the gap down and a very big gap down today is yesterday in US market the key indicator CPI, that is inflation data, has been released and it is posted as 9.1%, which is 41 years high in the US market. It is not only in the US market, maybe across the country, across the globe, all the countries started posting higher inflations and they are started increasing the interest rates to control the inflation. This is what happening continuously in all the country, and that reflects in the stock market. So much of our Indian market, RBI governor has also continuously increasing the interest rates to control the inflation, and these kind of measures started cooling off the inflation rise. But in US market it is continuously rising, and yesterday they posted 9.1% CPI and it is a 41 years high. In this reason only, everyone expected that the market will open a very big gap down, as yesterday Dow Jones traded at around minus 500 points, and at the end of the session it covered the losses and it is traded at minus 100 points only. As well as today morning before our market opens, SGX Nifty is trading at around minus 40 points, and the same thing was expected in the market today, but the market surprises. Every day the market will give surprises only. The market opens in a positive note, that is flat, that is opening is a very flat. Yesterday compared to the previous close of 15,979.90, today's market open price is 15,980. They exactly opened at where it closed yesterday, and the low is 15,979.95 and now it is trading at around 16,059. Posted a high of 16,062. What it indicates, whether it is going to be a positive market today or a negative market. See, I cannot tell you that like that blindly that the market will go up from here. I'll show you my pivot table. Maybe that will give you a clear picture to you all. In our pivot table, today's Nifty's pivot point is 16,032, wherein you can witness the market opening is 15,980 and today's pivot is 16,032, wherein the market now trading well above the pivot point of 16,032. But is it a positive sign? No, as of my view, it is not a positive sign. Market may come down. Maximum market will lose the gain as early as possible, because the major resistance lying at 16,101. Today's resistance lying at 16,101, and until the market crosses 16,105 or 110, you please don't initiate any fresh longs in the market. Rather than, if you want rather than cover your shorts, if you are having a shorts of yesterday, cover your shorts and wait for that level to reach above 16,100, then take a fresh trade if market trades at 16,100. You can go for a short with keeping a 20-25 point stop loss at 16,100, and maybe we can expect again to market to come back to the today's opening of 15,980 rather than a support is lying at 15,921. Again I am telling you, don't initiate a fresh shorts until the market closes below 15,900. Until then the market will be in a sideways mode only. So fresh shorts is not advisable, as well as fresh longs is also not advisable. Market will be in a sideways move. Maybe small trades you can initiate at 16,101, you can 16,100 you can take a sell trade and can wait for the market to trade at 16,032. If you want to take a risk, you can take a long at 16,030 and keep a stop loss of 20-25 points, and you can wait for the market to move up to 16,101. All these are for educational purpose. Don't initiate any trade blindly based on these levels. Please consult your investment advisor before initiating a trade. Now coming back to Bank Nifty, now the market is trading at around 35,070. It is 152 points higher than the previous close of 34,923. Now the today's pivot of Bank Nifty is lying at 35,035, and now it is trading well above the pivot point of 35,035. Today's market opened at 34,890, and compared to the previous close of 923, it is just 30 points down. It is almost flat. We can say it is flat only. Now it is trading at around 35,063, and today's high posted is 35,085. So here also the same thing I would like to tell you. See, I'll show my pivot table again for Bank Nifty. Pivot point is 35,035 and resistance 1 is 35,246. Maybe you can try a short at 34,250 by keeping a stop loss of 25-30 points in the Bank Nifty. Maybe by Bank Nifty you can keep some higher stop loss. Maybe you can keep 40 points as a stop loss, and you can sell Bank Nifty by looking for a target of around 35,035. But whether fresh shorts can be initiated at these levels for a longer term or a positional trade, it is not at all advisable. Until the market closes below 34,000, don't initiate a fresh shorts for a positional trade. This is not at all advisable. Maybe I have given you a broader view of Nifty and Bank Nifty for an intraday trade. This is what the points I have mentioned is you need to watch keenly, and you can take action on your investment advisor's advice by doing a small kind of trade. That is a swing. That is what we need. It is not a swing trade. Swing trade means it is for 1 or 2 days. You can do an intraday trade for this with the help of these levels. This is what I am trying to say today. Maybe if you are a continuous viewer of our YouTube channel, please watch on a regular basis to identify the intraday selling point or buying point in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you like our video, kindly share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.